Hello, my name is Kathy Erickson, and I'm a global product manager for Hoffman Enclosures. Today I'm going to point out a few unique features about ProLine G2, which sets it apart and makes it particularly well suited for industrial environments. The first thing you'll notice are the clean lines of the enclosure and the durable powder-coated paint finish both inside and out. With Hoffman, custom colors are never a problem. The door has a nice solid swing and a high load capacity. ProLine G2 features the smooth glide latching system. The smooth glide latching system ensures smooth latching over the lifetime of the enclosure. A combination of a sturdy double-flanged latch rod, 3 Delron roller pins to prevent metal-on-metal grinding, and an innovative timed latch mechanism ensures that the top and the bottom of the door catch reliably and repeatably. A secure door close on an electrical enclosure is an important safety consideration. A foundational design element for any modular enclosure is the frame. The frame of the modular enclosure protects the expensive electronics loaded inside, much the same way a car frame protects passengers. ProLine G2 features a 12-gauge roll-formed steel frame with an innovative hybrid frame profile. The hybrid frame profile is a combination of an open and closed frame profile, resulting in superior performance under load in every dimension, from front to back, from side to side, and even under torque. The frame also includes this external flange trough collar, which is designed to divert dust and debris which may have collected on the top of the enclosure away from the door openings. The mounting subpanel in ProLine G2 was designed to maximize space efficiency and to make loading a populated subpanel into the frame simpler and safer by providing a variety of different loading options. A vertical mounting subpanel can be loaded into ProLine G2 using the Easy Load mounting systems from the front, from the rear, or from the side. Additionally, if the subpanel is being populated outside of the enclosure, for example on a table, the frame can be lowered over the horizontal subpanel. The Easy Load mounting blocks can then be safely and securely fastened. And then the fully loaded subpanel and the frame can be lifted using the lifting eyes into the vertical position. A new option for a more controlled method to insert a heavily weighted subpanel into the frame. Another new element for ProLine G2 is our innovative BVM6 fastener. The BVM6 is a combination of a screw and a nut into one easy-to-use package. With the BVM6, you don't have to access the back of the fastener in order to tighten it. And the thickness of the item you're attaching does not have to be predefined. So it's a blind, variable M6 screw-based fastener, the BVM6. So when you tighten the BVM6, the embedded nut engages, and as you tighten, the nut then travels up the screw head. Attaching items to the frame and the grid straps has never been easier. Additionally, the grid straps can now be attached to the frame with just 2 fasteners per side. So you put a bracket, insert 1 BVM6, then you can snap the grid strap onto your bracket, and to more securely attach the grid strap to the frame or the bracket, you can use 1 more BVM6. I'm going to switch gears and talk about the base of the enclosure. A gland plate is used in conjunction with a plinth base in the base of the enclosure to provide cable management solutions. The unique DuraStan gland plates in ProLine G2 were designed to support the weight of a person, making it easier to work inside the enclosure with the gland plates already installed. ProLine G2 has a host of global certifications. The product is UL NEMA Type 12, CSA, IEC IP55, and the product is UL 508A listed. For more information, I encourage you to visit the Hoffman website or reach out to one of our many global Hoffman representatives. ProLine G2 delivers rigid protection and flexible solutions. It's the modular enclosure solution of choice for industrial controls.